You know, each and every wire has a different meaning. And if I make a mistake, I'll have to repeat it. Once upon a time, it was easy to fix this kasi I can see it pa. But now, the condition of my eyes, sa totoo lang, ginaguess ko na lang eh. I hope it's right. After plugging it, tinetest ko. Parang dinadaan ko na lang sa test. Ayan, like this, I can't see this now. Just guessing. So, I need lang flashlight. Ay, nako. It's not easy. Buti nakita ka. Kung hindi, parang tinapon. Tatapon lang. Can't see. Tapos ang liit-liit pa ng kulay. Yung solid, madali lang eh. Pero yung stripes, ang mahirap. May stripe to. Yung puti. Hindi yan puti. Stripe yan. Pero I can hardly see the color of the stripe. Where is it? Bahala na. Let's see if it's right. Plug ka na. Kung mali. Bahala na. Plug it in. There, like that. Crimp it. There. So, na-crimp na siya. There. And then, test it. Kung solid red lahat, it's a good, ayan, so wala na. Kulang ng isa. So, that means wala, sira na siya. I have to repeat it from scratch. Ayan, wala. Sira na siya. Ulit ako. See? It's hard when you're blind.